Hello, hello. And here's my Friday thought for you. How many of you have a short-term goal? I know you have a long-term goal. You know where you want to be with your riding, with your life, something big and inspiring. I hope you do. It's so important to have something really big and inspiring to work toward. And then it can feel very overwhelming at times because you don't see yourself progressing as quick and fast as you want. And then you give up because it's too big, too exciting, and you don't see the progress. Before you give up, here's what you can do: take it in chunks, in pieces. Like, for example, if you want to drive from San Diego to visit me in New York, what you want to think about, okay, New York is your ultimate big goal, destination, and you start to plan your trip. I personally plan my trip to the next coffee stop. Okay, where can I have a nice coffee? So that is my first little piece. And it's doable. When I get into the car, I said, okay, where can I have a nice coffee? So it's maybe an hour or two, and that is a doable goal. And then from there, I think about lunch and dinner and hotel, wherever, take it in pieces. You want to take your life and your goal in pieces, in steps, one step at a time, so you can stay inspired. When you still want to think about the big goal, that big image of, again, takes the analogy from San Diego to New York. You have New York, the excitement of what you want to do in New York, visiting friends or whatever it is you want to do there. But you do want to plan things in pieces so you can move forward and you can stay inspired. Now, how does it relate to your life and to your riding? If your big goal is, let's say, maybe you want to compete at an amazing competition, or you want to reach a certain level in riding, you want to ride pain-free, you want to ride inspired and confident and feeling so amazingly good. If that is your big goal, you want to think about the pieces you need to, or the steps you need to take to achieve that. What would be the first step? How about your own body? How about working on your symmetry, on your strengths, on your flexibility, on things that are reducing your pain? How about your mind? Working on your mindset. So those are pieces, and all of those pieces help you to move forward towards your goal. So I want you to step back right now, think about your big goal, write it down ideally, and then what are the steps you could take to achieve that? If your big goal is to ride pain-free and confident, aligned in balance and all of that, you want to figure out what is the first step, because you need to start working on yourself so your horse can feel your new body aligned and balanced, confident, and your horse will be aligned and straight and happy and can be the best it can be. Until then, if you have any questions, let us know. We love to hear from you here on the Facebook. Send a comment or contact me and Anna for more information. Always happy to hear from you. Until then, have a beautiful weekend. If you're showing, all the best. If you're riding, taking lessons, go for trail ride, whatever it is, enjoy it. Bye-bye for now.